So good evening everyone. Today I will talk about how to improve English communication because English communication is most important for all of you. So friend, if starting this video, first of all I want to say something about this. By the way, if you want one day can speak the fluency English. So first of all you trust about yourself. Without trusting about yourself you can't speak the fluency English. You can also say English communication is a very necessary for all of you. So there is no need about introduce about myself. So today I will talk about how to improve English communication. English communication is very mandatory for all of you. By the way, if you are prepare other competitive examination, then English communication is most important for all of you. So I am not saying that English communication is most important which student are prepared other competitive examination. So English communication is most important for everyone. So you should learn English communication so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society. Because at the time I am preparing other competitive examination. By the way, if you want one day can speak the fluency English, then first of all you should like subscribe this channel so that you can learn together me. So friends, first of all I want to say something about my environment and how to introduce your environment in properly English communication. Because many students are so many students blaming about yourself, sir I can't speak the fluent English because I have no money and my financial problem are not good and my parents cannot afford my further education. So first of all I want to say something about this topic. Don't blaming about yourself and your parents, because your parents is your base. So without parents you can't do anything whatever you want in the society. So first of all you should respect your parents, because your parents contributed throughout the life behind your character, because it is reality. So I am requesting a lot. By the way, if you want one day can speak the fluency English, then you should do hard work, and you can also say you do hard work a lot behind your character so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society. So hey ladies and gentlemen, at this time I am going, and you can also say at this time I am walking on his field, because the population of the India approximately 4.6 billion. So this is a very largest population of the India. Approximately 19% of people depending only agriculture. My dad doing agriculture season by season. If you can also say my dad don't do agriculture and my dad don't cultivate on his field, I can't eat. You can also say I am not saying that I am not only can't eat but also everyone, because Indian farmer is a most important for all of you. You can also say the Indian farmer is my real hero. So you should respect your parents, the student, the which student parents do agriculture season by season on his field. And you look behind me, this is a maize plant, and you look behind me, this is a sugar cane, and the sugar cane has been grow already. So the here farmers depend only agricultures and etc. So fan the about the farming. By the way, the so many students one day are telling me, sir how to improve English communication, because sir I want one day can speak the fluent English, but I have no good teacher and I have no good skill and I have no more money and my financial problem are not good and my parents cannot afford my further education. So first of all I want to say something about this topic. Don't blaming about yourself. First of all you trust about yourself. One day I can do it, so definitely one day you can speak the fluent English, because this is my personal experience. You can also say I have a 3-year experience already. So thank you very much, very interest.